What up, what up, what up? What's going on, YouTube? Ça fait tout le monde. So for all my Haitians out there, what's going on? Um, yeah, we about to react to some dash cam footage. And this one was, what's it called? Some crazy. And you know what's crazy? I kind of forgot this stuff kind of goes on, but it's crazy seeing it in real time, you know? Like it's somebody trying to do an insurance scam, yo, that's crazy. Like, yo, be careful out there. Everyone, I hope everybody's cars are insured and registered and all that stuff. Be careful when you're driving on the highways and on the roads, yo. There's crazy people out there, for real. So before we get into the video, like I always say, if you fuck with your boy, like the video when you're done. If you fuck with me even more, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna leave the link to the video in the description, and y'all can tell me what y'all think in the motherfucking comments, alright? Let's get into the video.
One hand on the... What the... Oh my god!
At first, it just looks like a close call, but looks can be deceiving.
Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what?
What the fuck?
But it's crazy, like he had one hand on the... What the... Oh my god!
See, right there, at first I thought that happened because they were just, you know how people are always trying to like get in front of you and there's no space. I thought that's why that happened at first, but then
At first, it just looks like a close call, but looks can be deceiving.
wow.
Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
I don't know!
Babe.
I got into an accident.
I was definitely...
I gotta see that one more time. I'm sorry.
But it's crazy, like he had one hand on the... What the... Oh my god!
At first, it just looks like a close call, but looks can be deceiving.
Oh my god, what is he...
That was terrible. Terrible, bruh. Cause you know what else is dumb? Like, first of all, you didn't even make that look real. That didn't look like the person behind you hit you. Even if they didn't have a dash cam, like that, like I don't think witnesses would have, everybody would have seen you just backing up. So yeah, it's a good thing she had a dash cam, but the way that was orchestrated and planned out, the way that person did that, it was terrible. It looked so fake. It looked like a scam. Dummy, you lucky your car didn't have a backup camera on it, because it would have seen you on the backup camera backing into that person's car.
Babe!
Babe, what happened?
I don't know!
Babe.
I got into an accident.
I was definitely shocked when I saw this happen.
But
Ashpia Natasha didn't know it at the time, but she had potentially just become the latest victim of a new and incredibly dangerous insurance scam. And her dashcam video that caught it all happening would be a viral sensation.
I mean, I'm just happy I had a dash cam, you know, that was able to prove everything.
It's a scam that authorities want people to look out for, especially in cities with heavy congestion.
People that are involved in this scam are quite often part of a larger network. They might have attorneys involved. They probably have doctors involved, people that will sign off on injuries that are very difficult to prove.
Yeah, it's a whole, they got a whole team for that scam. Like, they got doctors, lawyers, everybody just waiting to sign stuff off so they could all get paid.
Or disprove.
I genuinely...
And that's why your insurance rates be going up, because of fuck boys like that, whoever that person is. All people, when people do shit like that, that's why your rate's gonna go up around you. So I've heard. I'm not sure, but I feel like that's why.
I really thought it was like an accident that happened, just because of, like, you know, their facial expressions, like the way that they acted. I thought it was unusual and, you know, definitely sketchy, but the last thing on my mind was insurance fraud.
In Natasha's case, she managed to brake in time.
Oh my god!
But you can see the
Good shit. That's because you was paying attention to the road.
suspect's Honda turn on its hazard lights, then back up and slam into Natasha.
My initial thought was that I was, you know, in some kind of road rage, and then I thought maybe I was in danger.
The suspects then get out of the car, holding their heads and necks as if hurt. They begin taking photos of Natasha's license plate while she stays inside and calls police.
Which direction are you going? Which direction were you heading?
Towards Long Island. So this is damage to my car.
That's crazy. And that whole time, all that bad acting you guys were doing, pretending to be her. Oh, my neck, my back. You guys are all on camera. Good shit.
WABC investigative reporter Nina Pineda has been covering this story.
When you got out, did you say, why did you just reverse and hit me?
I did.
And what did they say?
Well, first I asked them what happened. They were just like, I don't know what happened. At one point I did say, why did you reverse into me? And they were just like, no.
We hear about this all the time. What's great
Yo, welcome to America. She said, why did you reverse into me? No. Nope.
about this is there is footage. There is dash cam video. And a lot of people don't have that.
It's definitely against the law when they slam on their brakes and they back into you because you really have some form of assault. But unless you have some way of proving your story, it is your word against theirs.
Like their whole demeanor changes after they realize that I have a dash cam.
You can tell that the guy...
You hear that, people? If you don't have one already, go get yourself a dash cam right now.
As soon as he saw the dash cam, he was quick to, like, you know, as if he was about to turn around and leave.
Natasha also noticed a second car that pulled up after the crash, a red Kia. She says one of the passengers jumped in and drove off.
There was a follow car behind her.
They jumped in and drove off. What? Yo, they had all your sketchy stuff on camera. Yo, you idiots, you're gonna lose your whatever insurance thing you guys had, right? And you guys are probably gonna get tried in court, bro. You're gonna get charged. Dummies. Dummies.
Red Kia following her.
It's disgusting what they did, and I really hope that they get punishment for it.
Within days, Natasha posted her video on TikTok, and tens of millions of people watched.
I did not think that my video was going to become this viral, but I'm glad that it did because I feel like we needed this exposure, you know, for it to make something happen.
We've since learned it appears the same group that targeted Natasha may have targeted others.
What if there's a kid in the car and the kid's not belted? Or what if something, you know, somebody has an episode or a heart attack? It's a life and death game that people are playing.
This group is blamed in at least one other similar accident from August on the same highway with the same car. This time,
It's the same two car. Yo, you can't make this shit up, bro. You can't make this shit up, bro. Like, there's so many stupid criminals nowadays. They use the same two cars. He must be a mechanic or something, bro. Or he must have a bunch of cars that look the same. Dumb.
I'm captured in an Instagram video. The red Kia shows up here too.
Scams of these sorts have been going on for decades. We're just seeing it more now because there's more cameras.
The NYPD has an entire division dedicated to investigating fraudulent collisions.
And they ain't doing shit about it.
If you have proof of it, law enforcement should be arresting those people. The district attorney should be prosecuting those people for doing an overt act.
California has the most staged accidents of any state. New York comes in number 2, Florida number 3. The insurance information.
The most staged accidents. That's crazy. Imagine that coming up on your insurance. Like, this guy be staging accidents. Yo, watch out for this guy. It's like, yo, this guy be faking car accidents. That's embarrassing. Like, that's embarrassing.
An institute found those staged crashes are on the rise across the country and cost auto insurers about $20 billion annually. And that, ultimately, increases premiums for everyone.
I know it. See? Stupid crimes like that are the reason why people's insurance rates are randomly going up, because of these idiots right here. These idiots, my bad. These idiots.
It's very expensive to insure a car now and insure yourself as a driver. These people are after not just your money, your insurance. They could come and get your home and all your assets.
The suspects eventually ditched the silver Honda, but Natasha's video was so widely seen, New Yorkers identified it parked on the side of a city.
Typical dumb criminals, man. They left it on the block somewhere.
Street, documenting their discovery on TikTok. It wasn't long before other angry people displayed their outrage, some even vandalizing the car before police eventually seized it.
Shit. Yeah. I'm surprised they didn't set that car on fire. New Yorkers is crazy, bro.
And impounded it.
I do appreciate everyone looking out for me and, trying to investigate and get some information.
So what to do if something like this happens to you? Experts say immediately call the police and tell them what happened. If there is an accident, move to safety and make sure to inform your insurance company.
And make sure you actually have insurance.
To prove that you are in fact the victim of a scam really requires one of three things. There's got to be physical evidence. Number two is you've got to have an independent witness. The third is to get a dash camera.
While that dash cam can certainly help, experts say everyone should be aware of their specific insurance policy.
Everybody driving pays for this type of fraud because what these people are after are multi-million-dollar bodily injury claims.
In Natasha's case, the suspects did file a claim against her insurance, something she hopes gets sorted out quickly. It's a felony in New York to stage a crash for insurance purposes.
It's really sickening that people go to this, extreme measures to.
And that's another thing about insurance companies. Like, why is this even taking so long? Like this thing went viral all over the internet, TikTok, Instagram, all this, YouTube, all this other stuff, and this matter is still not taken care of. Like, what more do you want from her? She's got all the proof is everywhere.
To get some money, I don't think it's worth it. It takes one person with the dash cam to kind of, for your plan to not work out.
Yeah, yo. I told you it was gonna be a stupid criminal. Actually, yo, I usually joke around and stuff, but that actually wasn't that funny because that's stupid. I hope nobody does that to me while I'm with my kids or something like that, or to you while you're with your kids, because that was ridiculous. Those motherfuckers are seriously gonna get somebody hurt doing little scams and schemes like that. So yeah. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description. And y'all can tell me what y'all think. And yeah, let me know if you ever seen something like that on the highway, or is that because I don't see that a lot, you know what I mean? And yeah, if you fuck with your boy, like the video. If you fuck with me even more, subscribe to the channel. Prince of Haiti, I'm out of here. Peace.